this video, I'm gonna show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on Blackview A90 using RAR app. So in order to do this, first you will need to download this app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's open an app, and from here we need to find the files that we want to pack. Mine are located in DCIM and then camera. Here there's a few pictures, so let's pick 3 of them by selecting them like this. Now in order to pack them, click on this plus button. From here you'll be able to change archiving options, so you can set a name, choose a password and extension, so here you can pick the file to be RAR or zip. There's advanced settings, more options and the comments. Now let's press OK. And from here our RAR file is created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.